Welcome back. In this video, we're making chili. Into a frying pan over medium heat, a few tablespoons of oil, 1 white onion, season with salt and pepper, cook for 4 to 5 minutes, or until the onions are soft. In goes 2 pounds of ground beef. Brown the beef over medium-high heat, 7 to 8 minutes. Drain the fat, pour into a small pot. Pour in 2 cups of tomato sauce, 1 can of fire-roasted tomatoes, 3 teaspoons of tomato paste, 2 cans of red kidney beans, undrained, a 1/4 cup of water, 2 packets of chili powder mix. Bring up to a boil over medium heat, reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 1 hour. Nice and thick. Ladle some of the chili into a bowl, top it off with some shredded cheese, raw onions, and scallions. And there we have it, chili. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.